Must answer. Carlos, read number 1.
5 times 21 solved by the ones that followed up.
Okay, number 2, read for us, David.
Number 2. 8 times 62 solved by the distributive coffee.
Number 3, thank you. Damien, go ahead and read for us.
What?
Number 3.
A round trip train ticket costs $15. A person and 58 fourth grade leaders take a class trip to the city on a train. How much will the train tickets all cost?
Good. Okay. Fearless, say, I'm a mathematician.
I'm a mathematician.
You have 5 minutes to do all 3 problems. You may begin. The timer is being started now.
Wait, don't say you can't. Try.
I can't. What's the intense project is?
Well, we'll go. I know you know it. We'll go over it. We'll go over it.
We forgot. I forgot.
Aren't you guys having a test tomorrow?
No. Yeah. Yeah. No.
Sorry.
No. Yes.
No. Hey, is your name on your paper too?
No. Yes.
Got it for the first one? Okay, you got to do the other 2 though. Silly. Are you going out of order?
Oh, I thought you were.
That's okay. Here, look, watch. Watch. Do number 3, and then you can do number 2 here and number 1 there. It's all good. You're following my directions. Hey, yeah. 5 tickets.
Hi, camera.
I like how Sayana's working quietly.
Damien.
Wait. What? I take it.
I'm giving you 5 tickets. You're the ticket master.
Oh, yeah. You don't remember the directions?
No, I remember. It's just I don't feel like that.
I know. But the one, I remember the times were out. I'm going to move it from one side to the other.
And while you guys are thinking, there's a quote that I want to read to you guys to help get you thinking, okay?
No.
You guys want to hear it? It's a cool quote. No? Okay. I will, before we go over it, okay? So you have to do it, remember, by the ones. Yes. Do it by the 1's 10th product. You can remember that. Number 3? Do you want me to read it again? So a round trip train ticket costs $15 a person. If 58 4th graders take a class trip to the city on the train, how much will the train tickets cost all together? So if a ticket is $15 a person and there's 58 4th graders going, how much will the tickets cost all together? If there's 58 4th graders going.
15.
What? What are you saying? What? Don't worry about it.
We're going to make it go.
Just or do the next 4 problems.
They only do up to 2 by 2. Okay.
Well,
I hear
made that
chatter.
one fun.
I hear chatter. And voices should be off.
Sorry, David.
I'm checking the timer to see how much time you have. Damien, you don't need that. We're using the paper. 50 seconds. You're using the paper on your desk. What have you been doing? What have you been doing? Nothing. Okay. Okay.
Just had to use this really bad.
Go to the next one.
Okay.
Cadence, please sit up.
Are you just thinking out loud? That's okay. Nothing wrong with that.
I need more.
Oh,
If you need more time, fist to 5. How much more time do you need?
5.
2 more minutes.
Hey, remember, we'll go over these. It's okay. This is just to get your minds thinking. We'll only change it up a bit. I gotta check it out.
Who's put the paper off before? Look it up now.
Do you want me to help out with the numbers?
Almost there. We'll go over it, okay?
I'm feeling it again.
That's okay. For this one, you're almost there.
He knows how to do number 1. He just forgot.
Oh,
You know what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to stop the timer and we're going to go ahead and go over the questions because it sounds like some of us are done and some of us are chatting. So we need to follow directions. So number 1, it says to solve by the 1s and 10s product. Do you have an idea how to solve that? Give us a thumbs up.
Damien, is that a thumbs up? Okay. I wasn't sure because you were like,
Miss Raptor, who do you think we should call on?
let's call on Reese. So how do you solve by the 1s, 10s product? Again.
I put 5 times 21,
Okay.
and then 50 times 2 equals 100. 5 times 1 equals 5, so I got 105.
Okay. Very good. So to do the 1s, 10s product, we'll go like this. And you said you do 5 times 2, right?
100. 5 times 20,
5 times 2 is
25. 20.
5 times 2. 10?
Oh, learned that 5 is equal to.
Or 5 times 2, I mean, sorry. What's 5 times 2?
It was 5 times 21.
I know, when you start off, you just do the 5 times 2 first, which is 10, right? And then you do the 5 times 1. Oops.
I thought that
Equals
5 represented a 50. That's how Miss Lockridge taught us.
Okay, so let's look back. 5 times 21. Let's look at the number 21. How many 10s do we have? How many 10s? Raise your hand if you have an idea. How many 10s? Johnny?
5.
How many 10s are in the number 21?
Oh, 21. 10.
10. Look here. This is the 10. Whoops. Oh. This is the 10s column, and this is the 1s. How many 10s are in the number 21? Augustine? 2. So is it the number 2 or 20? 20. How do we know it's 20? Stephanie?
Because there's 2 10s.
Because there's 2 10s. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to go like this. We're going to do 5 let me do it this way. So 5 times 21 equals 5 times 20, and then 5, because that was the tens, and now we're going to multiply the product of the ones. 5 times 1. 5 times 20 is what, class?
100.
100. If you agree, clap once. If you disagree, clap twice. 1, 2, 3. 10. You're right. 5 times 20 is 100. Now 5 times 1 is 5.
I was gonna say you guys better know that one.
Right.
So
So we're going to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let me see.
Voices off. Class, class, class. I'm waiting. Class, class, class.
Yes.
Certain way, make sure you're trying to do that. Okay?
I'll wait till you're ready. I will know you're ready when your voices are off and you are sitting up.
Okay. Okay, we'll go over that. But, okay, but did I say solve it by that way? No. Okay.
So when you add 105, it becomes 105. So 100 plus 5 is 105. Boys and girls, you need to read the directions. Miss Rafter asked us to solve by the ones and tens product, which meant we had to multiply the 5 times the ones column and the 5 times the ones. Some of you did this, 21 times 5, and you did it this way. Yes, you got the correct answer, but if this was a test tomorrow and these were the directions, this is what would get you credit because you solved it the way it was asked. We need to follow directions.
But let's say I didn't say to solve by the distributed property on this one. I said solve by any way. Then you guys can do it whatever way you know how. Because not all of us solve problems the same way. Miss Lockridge taught me this last week. I didn't know this was a way you could solve. I normally did it this way. So it doesn't matter. That's why we say make sure you follow the directions, okay? Okay. Can I erase this? Can we move on to this one? Okay. Make sure you write this down too, because I'm grading your paper.
Wait, what? I don't care. I
Okay.
already wrote it down though. I have to get back in mine.
Who thinks they got the second one?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you want to try it?
Yes,
No?
I want to try it. I know this one.
You don't want to try it? You don't get in trouble for guessing. 400 and what?
496.
You're right. Do you want to explain?
That's what I can do.
Why?
Can I do it?
Oh, you did it your way.
Can I do it?
Oh, you didn't do it by the distributed property? Like she did? Okay.
I always do it.
Who did it by the distributed property?
No.
David, talk me through it.
I put in 8 equals, and then I put in one of those.
Boys and girls, your classmates talking. I can't hear David.
I put in 8 equals, and then I put in one of those things and put 60 plus 2 and another.
So like this, you're saying?
Yes.
Like that? Here, David, these are called parentheses. There you go. I knew what you meant. So you wrote it like this.
Yeah, and
Okay,
then I
Carlos,
put
can you
in
please stop?
8 times 6 equals 48.
Okay,
And then
so hold on. You're right. Boys and girls, did you hear him? Thumbs up if you heard him, thumbs down if you didn't. You're in between them? You heard half. Okay, so what David said is you write it out like this for the distributed property, right? Thumbs up, right? You're still in between, Dominic? Okay. Okay, and then David said you do 8 times 6, which is?
48.
48.
David can't be the only one to know the answer.
48. I know, it is 48.
Well, what's 6? Ignore the 0. What's 8 times 6?
48.
Then you add the 0, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it would be 480. Okay, David, what's the next step you did?
Plus 16.
Why 16?
That way.
8
That way.
plus
That door. That
2
wall,
equals
rather.
16.
Turn the chair around.
Is it 8 plus 2,
Turn
10?
the chair around.
Oh,
Sit this way.
No. You mean 8 times 2, right?
Yeah.
Because 8 times 2 is 16.
Yeah.
Right? So plus 16. And what'd you get as an answer?
496.
Very good. 496. Thumbs up if you agree, thumbs down if you disagree.
Yeah. 400.
Alexis, are you unsure? Do you want me to go over it again?
I mean, I
Okay.
did. I just didn't get it right.
Alexis, can you tell Miss Proctor what part you didn't understand?
Everything. I didn't exactly understand why I could because, like, if you do it that way,
Oh, I see what you're doing. Okay. So, with the distributive property, Alexis, since it says we're multiplying by 8, right? You can draw an arrow to help you. So 8 times 6 is 48. Do you guys want to hear a saying that I taught Miss Lockridge that I learned? 6 and 8 went on a date. They didn't get back till 4 to 8.
What the heck?
48.
6 and 8 went on a date and they didn't get back till 48.
Till 4 to 8. 4 to 8.
What?
4 minutes till 8, which equals 48.
that's creepy.
So now you'll always remember that, Alexis. Ready? So 6 and 8 went on a date. They didn't get back till 4 to 8.
That's really creepy.
Isn't that cool? Okay. So then ignore the 0. Just pretend the 0's not there for a minute, okay? So we have the 48, right?
They didn't come until 14.
But we have to put that 0 there, right? It can't be left out. So then we put a 0, and then we do 8 times 2. I hear too much background noises. So then what's 8 times 2, Alexis? 16. So that's where the 16 comes from. And then we just add. So 480 plus 16 equals 496. Make sense? You get it now? Okay, very good. Who thinks they got the third one? I tried to trick you on this one a little bit.
No, you didn't trick anyone.
You didn't trick nobody.
I didn't trick anybody?
No.
No?
Nope.
Damien, you want to try it for me?
I want to try.
Let me see, because I thought you had the right answer. You have it set up right.
Okay, I want to do it.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Do you have the confidence to do it? Okay.
And I have.
Maybe. If he needs it. Here's the deal. If you need, you can sit in your seat and I'll write it for you. But if you need help, then you can call on up here, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So how would I do this problem, Damien?
So you go 5 times 8.
Well, how do I set up the problem?
Oh yeah, sorry. How do you do it? 58.
Okay.
You put 58.
Pretend I'm the student and you're the teacher, so you're teaching me.
Okay, and there's times 15.
Okay.
So there's 58.
So why is it 58 times 15?
Well, accidentally made a problem like 15 would go to the top. Then accidentally
That's still right.
Oh,
Are you doing it? Hold on, Carlos. Are you doing 58 times 15 because there's 58 people?
yeah, there's 58 fourth graders.
And then it costs $15 a ticket, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So where do we start? We start with this one, right?
Yeah, so you go 5 times 8.
Which is?
Oh, I already did that one. That one's 40.
Very good. So we put the 0 right here, right? And then we carry the 4.
And then you go 5 times 5.
Which is?
5 times 5 is 10. Wait, no. No.
Guys, he's doing it. We'll do it.
25.
Very good. Plus?
Yeah, plus 4.
Which is, so 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, right?
Yeah, 28, 29. Because the 1.
Oh yeah, sorry. Okay. And then we bring a 0 down here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then now we do the 8 times 1.
8 times 1 equals 8.
And then we do the 5 times 8, right? But or 5 times 1, I mean. But we ignore the 4, right?
Yeah.
So then 5 times 1 is?
5.
Very good. Now we add, right?
Yeah.
0 plus 0 is, class?
0.
I should have had everyone answer that one. What's 9 plus 8?
17.
17. Okay, Damien, what's 5 plus 2? Plus 1?
8.
So would that be $8.70?
No.
Or would it be $870? I'll write it higher, Augustine, for you guys.
I can barely see.
Hey, do you want me to do it over here so you guys can see it?
Yeah.
High five.
You actually got it.
Yeah, I'm getting you some.
I'm so proud of you. Okay, this side of the class now, since the cart was in the way.
I have my
I
bag.
can just move this.
Okay,
I didn't move it all the way. Please be patient and not be rude. Thank you,
I
guys.
can't believe I created such a
she can take the teacher chair away.
Ooh,
Not your speaking in it.
save you. I messed up in the last one, but in the other two,
That's okay. That's what it's all about, knowing your mistakes. Okay, so this side of the class. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Augustine, you see it now? It's 58 times 15 because there's 50 fourth graders times $15 a ticket, right? Is that expensive? Okay. What, Alexis? What? You want me to go over it again?
You're not funny, I'm funny.
Okay.
Which one does you want to go over?
The third one again.
Okay. Can I jump in and show another strategy real quick?
Are you doing the dot array?
Yeah.
Okay, because I don't understand.
That's okay. 5, 4, 3.
I'm stuck on it.
Okay. If you're listening, point to Miss Rafter, point to me, point to yourself, point to me again. If you're listening, put your pencil in the air. Say, I can do this. Okay. Daisy, come back to your seat. So, let's look back. Pencils down. Pencils down. Eyes on me. I'm waiting.
and Serena. Eyes on Miss Lockridge.
So the problem was 58 times 17.
Yes, it was
15.
58 times 15. Okay.
Why is there so many guns on me?
If you have trouble with the traditional
Carlos
way,
and Xavier, knock it off.
What? I'm just.
Daisy, go back to your seat. Daisy, go back to your seat. Carlos, come sit at this table over here.
Yay!
Cadence, please sit up. Daisy, that's your third strike. Okay, so it was 15 times what class?
50 times 50. No, 58. 58.
58. I'm going to draw a dot array. This is going to represent 50, which is 5 tens. And here I'm going to represent 8 ones. I'm going to do the same at the bottom. 15. 10 is represented here because it's 10 ones, and 1 tenth and 5 ones. I am going to now distribute 10 to 50 and 10 to 8. 10. Cadence. I showed this to you on Friday. You need to pay attention. You know how to do this. Shake it off. 10 times 50. And then 10 times 8. Guess what? I don't know what 10 times 50 is, but I do know what 1 times 5 is, which is 5, and I add both zeros. 10 times 8 is, who knows that? 10 times 8, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Fabulous. 80.
Yeah.
580. Now, I'm going to distribute the 5 to 50 and the 5 to 8. So 5 times 50, 5 times 50 equals, who has a clue what that may be? Sylvia.
That could be
200 150, fabulous. And then 5 times 8 is 40. So the answer is 290. What is my next step, Chastity?
I didn't know.
What is my next step? 580 plus 290. 1, give me 10 tickets. 0, 17, 5, 6, 7, 8. 870. This is another option.
Yeah, I'd rather do the option.
Make a line. I'm going to give you 3 more problems.
I don't need none.
Number 1. 17 times 7. When you have it, put your pencil in the air. 17 times 7.
Should Miss Raptor do it?
Yes. Yes. You saw it?
I'll get a piece of paper and I'll do that.
17 times 7.
Whiteboard.
Oh yeah, I'll do a whiteboard again.
What? I just said solve it.
Do a whiteboard.
When you're done, put your pencil in the air.
I don't know what 7 times 7 is. What do I do?
So
Okay, I
you
write meter on this
a
whiteboard,
strategy.
but I can't write meter on there. It's like a piece of paper. I got it. Write fast.
Everybody I can make a bomb out of those.
I enjoy this kind of math because I don't get to do this math in school.
I can make a bomb out of those.
Which one are you doing? Oh, you're doing the dot already?
5. Okay. Pencils down. Everyone stand up.
Don't get discouraged. Okay.
Did you do 17 times 7, Rose?
Daisy, stand up. Not yet, because they're not on. I should be on me. Daisy, that's your 3rd strike.
That's your 4th strike.
Mind your business. Since you're not following directions, your response does not have recess. Next step is calling your mother. Okay. I should be on Miss Lockridge. You guys got to shake the negativity off. Shake it off.
Shake it off. Shake it off.
Now stand up, tall.
Shake it off.
Okay. I didn't say go crazy. I said shake it off.
My legs have crossed.
This is disappointing that some of you are not listening. It's very disappointing. From this point on, for the next 10 minutes, until we go to media, I expect that you are going to be quiet and you're going to listen. You have a test tomorrow and we're trying to help you review and pass the test. And some of you guys are not listening and paying attention. Others of you cannot hear what the directions are. Stop. I'm calling your mom now. You don't hear the directions because other people around you are talking and that's not fair. Have a seat. 17 times 1, you have 1 minute to complete it. Starting the timer.
Done.
17 times 7, what I wrote.
Another reason why I like you to
That way you guys can see it a little better.
I'm done.
Yeah, I'll hook it right down.
You don't know, okay, but you know 7 times 5?
Yeah.
So start from there.
I know what's up there. I'm done.
Voices should be off.
This is my
Did you want me to write out the videos to write out the other two?
No, because we're not trying to. Yeah. Okay. 38 seconds.
I want to know those two ones are from. you guys like that little trick I taught you? 6 and 1 on 8. I don't know. I know a couple of them.
On the board.
Maybe. Maybe Miss Lockridge will let me tell you one of the tricks I have for 7 times 7.
7 times 7 is 49.
Ooh, raise your hand if you knew that.
I knew that.
Okay, hands down.
7 times 1 is 7 plus 4 is
11.
11.
Very good.
If you did not know what 7 times 7 is, instead of sitting there and saying, I don't know what it is, find a strategy that works for you. A strategy, Daisy, is something that allows you to figure out the answer. We know how to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. If I know 7 times 7 times 5 is 35, I only have to add 14 to 35 to get to 7 times 7. You could use a dot array. You could use cookies. You cannot say, I don't know what 7 times 7 is and waste all that time. We've went through this before. Ms. Rafter has a suggestion. I hope you're listening to her strategy.
Okay, it's a little older now, but who knows John Elway?
Who?
John Elway, he used to play for the Broncos a long time ago. Okay, he was number 7, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it takes 2 John Elways to beat the 49ers.
Still don't get it. I get it.
So John Elway's football jersey number was 7. So it's 2 John Elways, because 7 times 7 equals 49, and there's a team called the 49ers. So it takes 2 John Elways to beat the 49ers. You never heard of that? Okay, shh. So there's that one to always remember 7 times 7. Huh? There you go. Yeah, I knew someone would like that one.
Okay, next one. 38 times 62. Who just said I don't know that yet? Okay. I'm calling your mom now. Not yet.
I'll solve it first. I don't trust you guys over here.
I trust you. I trust you.
I like to do my own work.
Me too.
I like to be secretive about it.
Me too. But you don't trust us. We don't trust us. Why wouldn't you trust us?
Because you guys will see me writing it. Work on the problem.
I want to see you writing this question. What did you do?
Okay.
Because they're so shiny. Like she see that. I can still see. And start cooking and then.
Is that a one?
That's a, yeah.
I got an answer.
I'm gonna put 7.
I got a calculator on my desk.
Hold on, just do one here.
Actually, this is a long time ago.
I can't.
I know,
I
it's
can't see. What is it? 38. That's not time to go over. You gotta read.
Thank you.
You have 1 more minute to complete the problem.
That's a signature or something.
Should you be doing signatures, Chastity? You have the answer?
I got the answer.
Chastity? No? You can tell me, you're not in trouble. Hey, it's okay.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Carlos, did you get it? Can you see it?
Okay.
It's too many numbers, I have to keep track of. Too many numbers.
I'm going to have you all put them in the Monday bin, and then you're going to line up. We have to go to media. No, media.
You're off by 1.
Okay. Blue tables, go ahead. Purple tables. tables line up. Thank you, David, for being quiet.
Almost. It's 38.
Have a seat. So thank you, Reese. That was much better than last time.
Okay.
Sorry, I apologize. You may go. Can you talk to me okay after? Because I don't want us to be late. You're fine. I think you can hold it. Silly. Red tables, please line up. Line up.
I just want to see where you guys were at.
Green tables, line up.
That's good.
Oh my God, I hit my shoe.
Red tables, line up. Thank you, parents, for being quiet. Please, you're going to stay back.
Thank you.
Purple tables, line up. Miss Rafter, do you want to go ahead and take the beginning of the line?
Sure. Hey, we put this in Monday's program.
Okay.
Thank you.
This would be blue.